Hello everyone, myself Bhavishya. I am from class 10P. My topic is Narmada Bachao Andolan. It is also known as NBA. It is an ambitious project was launched in the Narmada Valley of Central India in 1980s. This project consists 30 big dams, 135 medium size and 3000 small size dams constructed in Narmada and its tributes and flow across the three states Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Narmada Bachao Andolan, a movement to save Narmada, was started by a social worker Madhya Patkar. It opposed the constructions of the dams and cautioned to the nature of ongoing development. And struggles of NBA. Since its formation, the Narmada Bachao Andolan linked its opposition to the Sardar Sarovar project. The larger issue, conquering the nature of the ongoing development. Project efficiency of the model of development that the country followed. It demanded that there should be a cost-benefit analysis of the major development project completed in country so far. The movement argues that large social cost of the development project must be calculated in the analysis. And strategies of NBA. The NBA is every able democratic strategies to put forward its demands. They include public rallies, appeals to the judiciary, mobilization of support at the international level and satyagrah to convince people about the movements of position. Achievements of NBA. The point made by the Narmada Bachao Andolan has now been recognized by the government and the judiciary. A comprehensive national re-assemblyization policy formed by the government in 2003 can be seen as the achievements of NBA. जो सरदार सरोवर प्रोजेक्ट्स के बेनिफिट्स थे वो थे दी सरदार सरोवर प्रोजेक्ट इज मल्टीपर्पस मेगा स्केल डैम. The project said that it would benefit huge area of the Gujarat and two adjoining states in terms of ability of drinking water and water for irrigation, generation of electricity and increase the agriculture production. It would help to control floods and droughts. Problems क्या थी इसके साथ? In the process of construction of Sardar Sarovar project, 245 villages from these states were expected to get submerged. It required to relocation of about 2.5 lakh of the people. Thank you.